Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today is day 4 on our Daniel fast. Yes, and we are going to enjoy some oatmeal. But before the recipe, we are going to read the Bible verses that I used on day 4 and a quote from our book. Okay, so I made use of Daniel 4 and Psalm 125. Okay, so let's read. Heaven's supply of grace overflows on the penitent sinner even when human reserves run out. And that is from Samuel Kraten Pepim, Hope Through the Dark. So let's get started. As I said, we are going to have some oatmeal and the recipe is simple. Yes, very simple. So subscribe, click on the notification bell, like, comment and share. So we are going to make use of this oats. Is a mixture of dry banana, some seeds, nuts and raisins here and there. Yes, and so that's what we are going to use, and also dried coconut. And I also make use of fresh banana. Yes, and also apple. So I'm going to add those and also peanuts, and then we'll make uses of our homemade soya milk. Okay, so with this, you don't cook it. This, you don't need to put it on fire and cook it. No, not at all. And so just, you can also do it overnight. Soak it with your milk. That is your plant-based milk. Since this is Daniel fast, you know, every milk should be plant-based. You soak it with your milk, leave it in the fridge overnight. Then the next day you can enjoy it. If you are doing your Daniel fast like the way I did mine, eating once a day, then you can do it in the morning and then leave it in the fridge. Then in the evening you enjoy it. Bear in mind that when you are soaking it with milk, you should soak it with enough milk. If not, by the time you go for it, it will be very thick for you. Okay, and so we just finished slicing our apple and we are slicing our banana also. Yes, so I'll just be adding them. So please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, like and share this video as well. So I'm adding some peanuts. You can use any nuts of your choice. Do you get it? Any nuts, almond nuts, cashew nuts, walnuts, you can use any of them. Okay, and I'm adding my apples also to it. Okay, and I'm going to add my milk, but before then I'm adding a little bit of the oats mixture to it, and I'm adding my homemade soya milk. Yes, homemade. Okay, and so after, I will just allow it to soak a bit before I enjoy it. You can use any fruit of your choice. You can add mango to this. You can even add avocado to it. So just use the fruits you prefer and that will be okay. And so I am done for the day. All that I need is to let it soak a bit and soften it so that I can enjoy it. And so this is it for today's recipe. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. And if you don't know what Daniel fast is all about, I will leave the link in the description box for you to watch and understand. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.